What is up? What is happening, everybody? It is Janelle here with season finale, season 7, Game of Thrones. Let's go. Oh, hey Grey Worm. The Unsullied. King's Landing? Oh, here they go. Pretty sure it's King's Landing. Oh, Dothraki. Okay, I see. I was like, what? I was funny. Sansa. Who's this? Jon Snow. Everybody is here.
There is only one war that matters, and it is here.
Wait, what? No, no, that was it? There's only one war that matters, and it is here. I'm pretty sure he means the White Walkers coming, but he could mean the war between the kingdoms. That was truly unsatisfying, but we just have to wait for Sunday, or if you watch a version that comes out earlier than Sunday, to find out what happens. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good morning, noon, and night, wherever you are in the world, and I shall talk to you again soon. Toodles! And of course, remember to subscribe and like and comment. Okay, now, toodles!